Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, come back to you with some more wonderful information. I'm going to answer a few questions that were given to us on the interweb from things that we've done in the past. One of the first ones was the safety burners, which are these. Yes, most of you don't like them, but they do serve a good purpose. The question was, can these be used on different models and different manufacturers? The actual answer is no. Okay, that's not saying you can't make one work, but you don't want to do that because then you're going to run yourself into some other issues. The reason is because one, the way this is done. Different manufacturers use different kind of connectors, and they also use different ways that these actually attach to your pans. Every manufacturer, some have 2, some have 3. It's how these attach. Now, will they physically fit? Yes. You can take the Amana we have here, and you can put that in a GE or another one, and it will probably technically fit in there. Now, the problem is, instead of being flush and flat like it's supposed to be, it may be cockeyed up like this. That's not a good cooking condition because everything's going to want to go that way. So technically, no, they should not be used if they're not designed for that thing. Okay, now, like I said, because it's just the way all the manufacturers do a different way of the way these things attach and hold on to, and the way these things function. One of the other questions we have is, when I am moving a fridge, how about going up a truck ramp? Well, yes, you can. But now I want to preface that by saying my 4-wheel drive, I've got an F250 full-size bed, the big boy. I've got a 3.5 foot up, so my motorcycle ramps that I use are only 6 feet. I am not going to take my dolly with a fridge down my little 6-foot ramp. That is not a good thing. Now, if you have a U-Haul style length ramp, yes, you can go up and down those really, really easily. Now, if you are going to go down a smaller ramp, make sure you've got someone with you, okay? That's just for safety factors. You will hurt yourself if you don't, okay? So you want minimum of an 8-foot ramp to go up and down out of a truck to get in and out comfortably and successful by yourself. Another question was, my front load washer is starting to smell. Can I use vinegar? Yes, you can, but there are much, much better products to use besides vinegar, okay? I would recommend, if you can't get out the store right now and it smells real bad, you can use bleach. Bleach will kill any active growing things in your dish in your washer. Now, but it won't remove them. You want to get a good closed washer cleaner that will actually kill the bacteria that are growing, and it will also help with the smell, okay? And the last one, I forgot what the last one was. So, oh well. That's enough for today. You folks don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Come back next week and we'll have some more wonderful information for you, and have a wonderful week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.